If you're wondering whether FameFlame AI is worth it or just another overhyped launch, stick around. Because I'm breaking down 7 crucial things you need to know before you even think about using it. And trust me, the last one might completely change how you use AI for your business or content. You can try FameFlame AI for completely free from the first link in the description, and I highly recommend you do, especially if you create content, run marketing, or manage a personal brand. I've tested hundreds of tools, and this one actually surprised me. Here's what you need to know. First, FameFlame AI isn't just another ChatGPT clone. It's built specifically for viral content creation, which means its entire prompt engine, templates, and output style are engineered for visibility. If you're a creator trying to grow fast, this thing is made for you. Second, the built-in persona training feature lets you craft content in your exact tone. You feed it a few examples, and it adapts to your voice, whether you're snarky, polished, corporate, or casual. Honestly, for branding consistency, this is gold. Third, and I didn't expect this, the platform integrates directly with platforms like YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram. You can script, schedule, and post content without switching tabs. That's a massive time saver for anyone serious about growth. Fourth, the content remixing engine is next level. Upload a blog, transcript, or even a random paragraph, and it spits out a viral short, a tweet thread, a hook for TikTok, and more. It's like having a team of editors, all trained on viral content. Fifth, this thing actually learns what performs. It tracks your post performance and subtly evolves its output. No manual tweaking, just smarter content over time. That kind of feedback loop is rare in AI tools at this price point. Sixth, they've nailed the UI. I've tested tools with more features, but they end up cluttered. FameFlame is sleek, intuitive, and built for speed. You don't need a manual, you just log in and start generating. And finally, this is the one most people miss. FameFlame AI doesn't just generate content, it generates momentum. That's what makes it different. You're not just posting more, you're building visibility faster with less guesswork. If you're looking for the best just released AI software that can actually move the needle for your content or brand, FameFlame AI is a serious contender. I don't say that lightly. The fact that it's free to try right now, no brainer. And hey, don't click off yet. I've tested thousands of AI tools and I've listed my top recommended ones, all free to try, in the description below. If you're serious about scaling with AI, those links are gold. Let me know in the comments what you think of FameFlame AI after testing it. I'll be sharing advanced hacks for it in future videos, so if you like this breakdown, stick around.